Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 24th of March 2025, and I'll be going over my bi-weekly review of the day open, day close chart testing strategy for SPY. So without further ado, on the 10th of March, we had a profitable trade giving us a return of 1.229%. On the 11th, we had a profitable trade again. A sell signal on the 12th, a loss-making buy signal giving us a loss of 0.587%. On the 13th, we had a profitable sell signal. On the 14th, we had a profitable buy signal, giving us 1.2% in profit. On the 17th, so this is the week after, we had a loss-making sell signal, giving us a loss of 0.774%. On the 18th, we had a profitable sell signal again, giving us a profit of 0.666%. On the 19th, we had a profitable buy signal. On the 20th, we had a loss-making, well, 20th and 21st, we had two loss-making sell signals. So our cumulative portfolio return went from negative 1.035 to 2.114%, and our alpha increased from negative 17.506% to negative 12.348%. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.